In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image to a color background in Canva. This simple effect is great for thumbnails, social media posts, and presentations because it lets your text stand out while still keeping your image visible. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along in your own Canva design. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen and click on the tab labeled Elements. This is where Canva stores shapes, lines, graphics, photos, and more. We're going to use an element called a gradient to create that smooth fade from your image into a solid color. With the Elements tab open, go to the search bar at the top and type the word gradient. Make sure you spell it correctly so Canva can find the right graphics. After you hit enter, you'll see a variety of gradient options appear, usually in different colors and shapes like squares, circles, and rectangles. Next, click on one of the gradient elements that works best for your layout. For a standard background fade, a rectangular gradient is usually the easiest to control. When you click it, Canva will automatically place it on your canvas. You can then resize it by dragging the corners and position it over the area where you want the fade to appear, typically at the edge of your image or behind your subject. Now, here's a useful tip for adjusting your gradient more precisely. On a Windows computer, hold the Alt key while you click and drag the gradient. On a Mac, hold the Option key instead. This lets you resize or move the gradient more smoothly and can help you keep it aligned with other elements in your design. Use this to stretch the gradient so it covers the part of the image you want to blend into the background color. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts in Canva. Depending on the gradient you chose, you may see options to change colors, adjust transparency, or flip the direction of the gradient. Match one end of the gradient to your background color and lower the transparency if needed so your image gently fades instead of stopping abruptly. Take a moment to tweak the size, angle, and opacity until the fade looks natural and clean. Once you're happy with how it looks, your faded image to color background effect is complete and ready to use.